Hello students, now consider the next example. Okay, let us take the example number 2 from the Nirali publication book. We are having the example that 4x plus 6y plus 5u upon 2x plus 3y plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 1. Here the non-homogeneous equation 4x plus 6y plus 5u upon 2x plus 3y plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 1 is given, and we have to convert it into the homogeneous form. Okay. Now let us take the 2 common from the numerator. 2x plus 3y plus 5u upon 2x plus 3y plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 1. Now put 2x plus 3y is equal to u. Then next step is the differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore 2 into dx by dx plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Now consider the next step, that is 2 plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Therefore 3 into du by dx is equal to du by dx minus 2. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3 du by dx minus 2. Therefore 2u plus 5u upon u plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 1. Therefore dy by dx is equal to u plus 4 upon 2u plus 5u. Therefore 1 by 3 into du by dx minus 2 is equal to u plus 4 upon 2u plus 5u. Therefore du by dx is minus 2 is equal to 3u plus 12 upon 2u plus 5u. Therefore du by dx is equal to 3u plus 12 upon 2u plus 5u plus 2. Therefore du by dx is equal to 3u plus 12 plus 4u plus 10 upon 2u plus 5u. Therefore du by dx is equal to 7u plus 22 upon 2u plus 5u. Then integration of dx is equal to 2u integration of 2u plus 5u upon 7u plus 22 du. Consider this 2u plus 5u upon 7u plus 22. Now divide 2u plus 22 with the 2u plus 5u. Then after multiplying 2 by 7 to this 7u, we get minus 2u plus 22 into 2 by 7. We get 5u minus 44 upon 7 is equal to 35u plus 44 minus 44 upon 7. We get minus 9 by 7. Here we get the minus 9 by 7. Therefore integration of dx is equal to 2 by 7 plus minus 9 by 7 upon 7u plus 22 du. Therefore c plus x is equal to 2 by 7u minus 9 by 7 log of 7u plus 22 multiply by 1 by 7, which is equal to 2 by 7u minus 9 by 49 log of 7u plus 22. Therefore 49c plus 49x is equal to 14u minus 9 log of 7u plus 22. Here after taking the common, that is 49c plus 49x is equal to, after taking 14 and substituting that 2x plus 3y, u is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 9 into log of 7u plus 22. Therefore we get therefore 49c plus 49x is equal to 22x plus 42y minus 9 log of 14x plus 21y plus 22. Therefore 49c is equal to 28x minus 49x plus 42y minus 9 log of 14x plus 21y plus 22. Therefore 49c is equal to minus 21x plus 42y minus 9 log of 14x plus 21y plus 22. Therefore, 49 by 3c is equal to, after taking 3 common from here, 3 into 7x minus 14y plus 3 log of 14x plus 21y plus 22. Now we get c is equal to 7x minus 14y plus 3 log of 14x plus 21y plus 22 is the required answer. Okay. Now consider the next problem, that is dy by dx is equal to 6x minus 4y plus 3 upon 3x minus 2y plus 1. After taking 2 common from the numerator, 2 into 3x minus 2y plus 3 upon 3x minus 2y plus 1. Now put 3x minus 2y is equal to u. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2u plus 3 upon u plus 1. Now the next step is put 3x minus 2y is equal to u. Differentiate with respect to x. 3 minus 2 into dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Take the du by dx and dy by dx term on the one side. Okay. Therefore, minus 2 into dy by dx is equal to du minus 3 upon dx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 3 minus du by dx into 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into bracket 3 minus du by dx is equal to 2u plus 3 upon u plus 1, which is equal to 4u plus 6 upon u plus 1. Therefore, minus du by dx is equal to 4u plus 6 upon u plus 1 minus 3, which is equal to 4u plus 6 minus 3u minus 3 upon u plus 1. Therefore, minus of du by dx is equal to u plus 3 upon u plus 1. Therefore, minus dx is equal to u plus 1 upon u plus 3 into du. Therefore, u plus 3 divided by u plus 1, then 1 ja, u plus 3 1 ja, u plus 3 minus 2. 1 plus minus 2 upon u plus 3. Therefore, minus dx is equal to 1 plus minus 2 upon u plus 3 du. Therefore, minus dx is equal to 1 minus 2 upon u plus 3 du. After integrating, we get integration of dx is equal to integral of 1 dx minus 2 integral of u plus 3 du. Therefore, minus x is equal to u minus 2 log of u plus 3 plus c. Therefore, we get c minus x is equal to 3x minus 2y minus 2 log of 3x minus 2y plus 3. Therefore, c is equal to 3x plus x minus 2y minus 2 log of 3x minus 2y plus 3. Therefore, c is equal to 3x plus x is the 4x minus 2y as it is, and minus 2 log of 3x minus 2y plus 3. After taking 2 common from the RHS, we get 2x minus y minus log of 3x minus 2y plus 3. Therefore, c is equal to 2x minus y minus log of 3x minus 2y plus c plus 3. Here is the required solution of the given equation. Okay. Now come to the next problem, that is problem number 11. Example number 11. dy by dx is equal to 3x minus 4y minus 2 upon 6x minus 8y minus 5, which is equal to 3x minus 4y minus 2 upon, take the 2 common from the denominator, 2 into 3x minus 4y minus 5. Put 3x minus 4y is equal to u. Therefore, 3 minus 4 into dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Therefore, minus 4 into dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus 3. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 4, 3 minus du by dx. Therefore, 1 by 4 into 3 minus du by dx is equal to u minus 2 upon 2u minus 5. Therefore, 3 minus du by dx is equal to 4u minus 8 upon 2u minus 5. Therefore, minus du by dx is equal to 4u minus 8 upon 2u minus 5 minus 3. Therefore, minus du by dx is equal to 4u minus 8 minus 6u plus 15 upon 2u minus 5. Therefore, minus du by dx is equal to minus 2u plus 7 upon 2u minus 5u. Therefore, minus dx is equal to 2u minus 5u upon minus 2u plus 7. After taking the polynomial long division, we get minus 2u plus 7 divided by 2u minus 5u. After multiplying this minus 1, minus minus become plus 2u minus 7, and after that minus sign, this minus become plus, and here also minus become plus, then remainder is 2. After writing in the form minus 1 plus 2 upon minus 2u plus 7. After integrating, we get integration of integration of minus dx is equal to integration of minus 1 plus 2 upon minus 2u plus 7 du. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus u plus 2 into log of minus 2u plus 7 multiplied by 1 upon 2. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus u minus log of 2u minus 2u plus 7. Therefore, x is equal to u plus log of 2u plus 7. Therefore, c plus x is equal to 3x minus 4y plus log of 6x minus 8y plus 7. Therefore, c is equal to 2x minus 4y plus log of 6x minus 8y plus 7. Here is the solution of the required differential equation. Okay. Thank you, students. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and if you didn't understand any step or any problem in detail, then please contact me the given email ID. Okay. Thank you, students.